don't think too much about the future. Utos din yan ni Lord, ha? So, don't be anxious about tomorrow. Tomorrow will be anxious for itself. The day's trouble will have its own solutions. The blessings for today is enough for the needs of today. Kaya marami rin mag-asawa nag-aaway kasi laging concern nyo isa about the future. Oh, wala pa tayong savings, wala pa tayong ganun, wala pa tayong... Kailangan mo na ba ngayon? Dumadami yung problema pag iniisip nyo yung nakaraan, naaalala nyo yung mga galit nyo, o kaya yung future, naiisip nyo yung mga fears ninyo, mga worries. Ano kaya tayo mamamatay? May savings ba tayo? Paano pag nagkasakit tayo? Alam niyo sabi ni Lord, tomorrow will be anxious for itself. Bakit? Kasi bawat problema may kasamang solusyon. Yung problem niyo bukas palalabas yung kakambal na solusyon, hindi ngayon. Kasi wala pa siya eh. Pero pag fast forward yung problem bukas, iniisip nyo ngayon, hindi nyo naman makita yung kakambal na solution. That's why you worry. Panaming away ng asawa tungkol sa future. Sabi ni Lord, no? Salvation. Salvation from the past. Salvation from the oppression of the future. Live for today. That's why the Lord says, today is what is important. Pag kayo nabuhay for today, ang daming mawawalang bigat sa inyong buhay.